Unlocking the mystery. Lose your touch. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Lose your touch. It's a common expression with a nuanced meaning, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to clear up any confusion. Stay tuned. Lose your touch refers to the situation where someone is no longer as good at something as they once were. It implies a loss of skill, ability, or talent in a particular area, especially one where the person was previously considered proficient or even exceptional. This phrase can be applied broadly, from professional skills and hobbies to personal relationships. Let's break down the phrase a bit more. The word lose in this context means to no longer possess or have less of something you once had. Your touch is a metaphorical way of speaking about one's skill or talent in a specific area. So, when combined, lose your touch vividly conveys the idea of a decline in one's ability or finesse. To fully grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. 1. Cooking. Imagine a chef known for their extraordinary cakes. If those cakes don't taste as good as they used to, someone might say, "It seems like you've lost your touch." 2. Sports. A football player who used to score goals effortlessly but now struggles might hear a coach say, "You've lost your touch." 3. Work. If a salesperson who used to close deals easily starts having difficulties, a colleague might comment, "Have you lost your touch?" These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing a decline in performance or ability. When using lose your touch, it's important to consider the context and the feelings of the person you're speaking to. It can be perceived as critical, so it's often used among friends or colleagues in a light-hearted or supportive manner rather than to seriously criticize someone. In a sentence, "You used to fix these issues so quickly." Do you think you've lost your touch? Question form: Have I lost my touch, or is this project just exceptionally challenging? Understanding the phrase, lose your touch, adds a nuanced layer to your English communication, allowing you to express a complex idea succinctly. Whether you're discussing professional skills, hobbies, or personal talents, this phrase can help you convey a sense of changed ability with just a few words. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using lose your touch in your conversations to really master its nuances. See you in the next video.